Want to add a rectangle or square shape in CapCut on your PC? The quickest documented route uses CapCut Online in your browser. In this video, you'll upload a photo, add a shape or frame, adjust it, and export the finished image. First, know the platform difference. CapCut Desktop is available for Mac and PC, but its official product page does not show a dedicated Shapes panel. The detailed shape instructions come from CapCut's online photo editor, so that is the route we'll follow here. Open CapCut in your browser. You can log in for a personalized experience or use the online tool without logging in for a quick edit, as described by CapCut. Start with the photo you want to edit. Upload it from your computer or use one of the other supported options, Google Drive, Dropbox, or a mobile device. Now open the Shapes option. Choose the form that fits your design. For this title, use a rectangle or square when you need a clean block, border, or structured photo area. Drag the selected shape onto your photo. Place it where you want the shape to appear, then check the canvas before making detailed adjustments. Use the right toolbar to refine the shape. CapCut's instructions specifically mention basic settings, opacity, and arrangement. Change those controls until the photo and shape sit together clearly. If your goal is to crop the photo into a shape instead of placing a shape over it, use the shape cropper route. CapCut describes options such as circles, squares, hearts, stars, and other geometric or freeform shapes. For a framed result, use frames instead of shapes. CapCut describes rectangular frames as one option, along with other shapes for different visual styles. Choose your frame, then import the photo into it. Double-click the shape and drag the picture until the important part is positioned correctly inside the frame. Take a quick look at the edges and placement. A common mistake is leaving the photo off-center or using a shape that hides the subject. Adjust the position before adding anything else. You can finish the design with text, stickers, effects, or filters. Keep these additions focused on the image so the rectangle or square remains easy to see. When the composition looks right, use the export control. CapCut's documented workflows describe exporting the edited artwork or framed result in a format that suits your use. Before you download, compare the result with your goal. Use shapes for an overlaid design element, frames for a contained photo layout, and shape cropping when you want the photo itself to follow the selected form. That's the complete PC-friendly route supported by CapCut's public pages: browser-based editing, photo upload, shapes or frames, adjustment, and export. The exact desktop shape menu is not documented on the official desktop page, so use the online workflow when you need these verified steps.